As we glide gently over the tranquil waters of this idyllic pond, we encounter one of nature's most splendid creations, the adult male wood duck. Observe the striking plumage that adorns this majestic bird. The iridescent green crest crowning his head, the intricate patterns that dance across his chestnut breast, and the bold markings that set him apart in the avian world. Watch how he navigates the water with elegance, each paddle a testament to the serene life of these freshwater habitats. The wood duck, a master of both air and water, represents a harmony with nature that is as rare as it is beautiful. Now, let us journey to the vast expanse of a serene lake, where a pair of young wood ducks embark on their early life's adventure. Unlike the adult male's vibrant attire, these juveniles don subtle hues, a canvas of nature's own design, preparing them for the challenges ahead. Here, in the embrace of the calm lake waters, they learn the art of survival, from foraging to evading predators. Their youthful energy and curious eyes explore this watery realm, a training ground for the days when they too will don the magnificent plumage of their species. In this tranquil setting, we witness the cycle of life continue, a never-ending dance of growth, learning, and natural splendor. The wood duck is an adaptable forager, its diet a rich tapestry of aquatic and land-based fare. These birds are adept at plucking insects and snails from the water's surface and foraging for seeds and fruits in nearby woodlands. This varied diet not only sustains them but also reflects their unique ability to thrive in diverse environments. Wood ducks are known for their agility both in water and air, demonstrating a remarkable prowess in swimming and flying through densely wooded areas. Their nesting habits are equally intriguing, as they often choose tree cavities near water bodies, a strategy that provides safety and proximity to their feeding grounds. Socially, they are often seen in small groups, but outside the breeding season, they may gather in larger flocks. As our journey with these enchanting wood ducks comes to a close, we are reminded of the delicate yet resilient tapestry of life that thrives in our world's natural habitats. From the regal adult male, with his vivid plumage that captures the eye and heart, to the spirited young, embarking on their journey of discovery and growth, each moment we've shared with these birds is a testament to the wonder and diversity of nature. Let us carry with us the serene beauty and the lessons learned from these magnificent creatures, a reminder to cherish and protect the natural world that surrounds us. Until we meet again, may the grace and tranquility of the wood ducks inspire us to find peace and joy in the simple marvels of life.